Starting around 20 August 2023, AMP certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36%. In sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. AMP explicitly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. This fundamentally makes AMP in every practical sense, positioning at 193 in the digital money market in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023. What will AMP sort of be worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is AMP a truly wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Which by and large is genuinely huge. Will AMP cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high? Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. These fundamentally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. AMP value expectation 2023. As per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The AMP cost most certainly is supposed to especially cross an essentially normal value level of $0.003, the normal most certainly least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $0.003. Further showing how in a real sense is AMP in every way that really matters. Wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, AMP can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $0.003, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the very greatest cost for AMP could truly stretch around $0.003, showing how starting around 20 August 2023 AMP really is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 in a real sense is $0.003 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.003. Or so they generally thought. AMP value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP by and large is estimated to especially be at around an extremely least worth of $0.003, showing how AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination in 2023. The AMP value sort of is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value, even out of $0.003. The normal exceptionally least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $0.003. Truly further appearance, how in every practical sense, is AMP a truly wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023. The AMP value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. AMP value estimate October 2023. The AMP figure for October 2023 expects that the AMP may generally arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.003, with a really least cost of around $0.003 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the typical value AMP can in every way that really matters stretch around $0.003 for October in an unpretentious manner. AMP value gauge November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at the very least worth of $0.003, while the by and large greatest estimated cost certainly is around $0.003, showing how besides AMP can generally arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.003, or so they for the most part thought. The really normal cost for AMP essentially is generally anticipated to reach $0.003 in November 2023. Which fundamentally is very critical. AMP value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP by and large is determined to generally be at around a truly least worth of $0.003, showing how these are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in an unobtrusive manner. The AMP value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars. Sort of additional appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 explicitly is $0.003 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. AMP exceptionally passed value examination and the vary beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been by and large diminished by 6.66%. In its really current worth amazingly. Assuming we generally analyze the kind of current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. From certainly most recent 7 days, the AMP basically was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%. Especially further appearance how AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP cost in every practical sense is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.003. The normal least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to especially be $0.003. Exceptionally further appearance. How certainly is AMP an excellent venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they really thought. AMP by and large has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be very great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that these for the most part are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP generally diminished by 40.327%. Dispensing with an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.002 from its extremely current worth, or so they generally thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be in every practical sense, great in every practical sense, purchase a valuable open door for truly speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 51.19%. And the cost basically coursed from a fundamentally least exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 to in every way that really matters, most extreme truly normal cost of $0.005 in the by and large beyond 90 days. Or so they basically thought. AMP explicitly is somewhere near 23.25% with the by and large greatest certainly normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.003 and the base in every practical sense. Normal cost of sort of was around $0.003 in extremely beyond 4 months in a for the most part significant manner. AMP value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be AMP essentially worth in 2023? Which for the most part is genuinely huge. The AMP cost especially is determined to sort of arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $0.003 with a